That's how I get that ooh, baby.
Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started.
On the boat ride. Yeah. Bayside. 4th of July. Enjoying my life. Very nice. I'm gonna drop my phone, y'all. But yeah, welcome to the vlog. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. It's just like a random video. Make sure you click on the notification bell for your girl. I'm by myself, y'all, enjoying, you know, the time off. Very things I'm enjoying. Miami skyscraper.
I'm out. Niggas round me, die to they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in the energy. Right? All the niggas round me, die to they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. I just caught a shorty off a Insta. Just do on a hoodie, it's a Crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting tenser. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man and maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even find a combination. Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Gotta watch the time, I'm outside. All the niggas round me.
Right now we're just exploring the, you know, the boat tour. Enjoying the, you know, the city, looking at the city. This is like a random vlog, y'all. I just wanted to vlog so I can show y'all, you know, my city, Miami, Florida. So you can see how it is around here. It's not the hood area, it's the good area. Boat ride. Make sure y'all subscribe, y'all. Don't forget to click on the push bell. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. So yeah, it's gonna be a quick little short vlog showing y'all my city. Bayside area, y'all. Bayside.
I ain't never met a black person that would have.
So right now we're going back to Bayside. We're about to park the boat. We're about to get off soon. I'm about to show you around the area. So y'all stay tuned, y'all. Okay. I like my little outfit. Try not to drop my phone so it will fall in the water.
I can't even find a combination. Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in the
It's hot as hell out here, y'all. Really hot. In the mile, we're about to be over. Yeah, it's real hot. So yeah, I done got a tan, y'all, off the boat. About to head back to, you know, well, we in Bayside already, so I'm about to just, you know, walk around, see the city, make y'all enjoy 4th of July with me, from me. So yeah, stay tuned.
I can't even find a combination. Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in the AMG. I can't even find a combination. Right now I'm just I can't even find a combination. Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to.
Well, vlog is over, y'all. This is like a quick little trip, quick little vlog with my friend, you know. So, about to get something to eat. See y'all later. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Click on the notification bell. Ooh, my belly popping. See y'all in my next video. You feel me? Make sure you guys follow my Instagram, prissyshay_fashion3. See y'all next time. Where's my friend at? Oh, somewhere over there. But yeah, so make sure you guys comment down below. Let me know what videos you guys want to see. So yeah, see you on my next video. Bye.